It's time for an all-new Omaha Extra, hosted by Carrie Worth.
Today, I'm back at Modern Vision Solutions with Dr. Meagan Anderson. Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, so I'm actually a patient here at Modern Vision Solutions, and what I think is interesting is your eye exams. They're really unique from other eye exams that people can find, right?
Yes. I think that's the overwhelming thing we hear from patients is that it's just so different. At our office, we have at least 6 different diagnostic technologies that we do on patients that help us get a really good look at the eye from the very front to the very back.
Okay, and you're going to tell us about some of those diagnostic machines today, right?
Yes.
This is our Optos machine. It is our retina scanner. It takes images of the back health of the eye, and usually when we get good images on here, we don't have to dilate our patients. It replaces dilation.
So, Alyssa, this is the part that I'm scared of the most, and I think a lot of other people are too when you get that puff of air.
Yes, absolutely. So this is our eye care. This replaces the puff of air test. It's a lot more gentle than the puff of air, and this checks for glaucoma and things like that. Blink as you need to. Just try not to hold your breath.
That was not at all as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Great.
This last machine is our dry eye machine. It measures your tear film quality, takes a look at the glands that produce that tear film, then it measures how quickly the tear film evaporates off the surface of the eye. Go ahead and come forward. You'll put chin on the chin rest, forehead against the bar. There is a hot air balloon to focus on. You can just blink as often as you need to. All right, blink, hold open. All right, we are all done with our diagnostic testing, so we can head back to an exam room.
Okay, thank you so much. To learn more about Modern Vision Solutions, you can call the number on your screen or visit the website as well. We will see you next time on Omaha Extra.
This Omaha Extra segment has been paid for by Modern Vision Solutions, a Modern Vision Omaha partner practice.